Oh my god, I don't believe it. I've had to start another video because it's just gone stupid. Guess who's turned up? Pink Glitter Girl, and has been embiggened. And we got Hantiru in another account, Robotor. Raggedy Grrrl is here and looks very impressive indeed. My god, look at this lot. Adium is here as well. Purple Platonic Panda finally has arrived at the bottom. Oh my god, that is just scary. That's supposed to be some kind of red-headed, ripped Lanzer, female Lanzer. That is just Pink Glitter Girl, always here to shock. And Godfundo is massive, literally massive, gold wide Mecha, and is off the screen. And there goes Raggedy. Oh my god, it is crazy here. Big. I think Belfegor wants the big. Astro Turfing is still here. Metasahina clearly has decent internet now and hasn't disconnected for weeks, maybe even a month or so, which is great. There's a big sausage. Big Belfie. Yes. Big Belfie. Yes. Let's go, Mavdoc. Big Belfie. And someone else in purple. Is that Lilacia? Yep. Hi, I'm back. Natural egg. Look at this. The screen is virtually full. Talk of eggs. Egg. Has to be done, doesn't it? Another amazing night at the Dev. This is a classic example of how crazy it can be at the Dev meet on zOMG. They really are giant bolt croppers. Look at that. Cutting blades like bolt croppers. And I think we're probably going to end it here. Oh look, it's a void. And of course, popcorn.